Here's how to download or save WhatsApp status on your iPhone. Now open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone, and if there's a great status, you can always choose to download that to the gallery on your phone just by tapping on the updates option at the bottom left. There you can see is my status, for example, as well as someone else's status. If I tap on my status, you can see there it is 3 minutes ago. I can either tap on those dots at the top right or just open it up and then tap on the 3 dots at the very top right. You can see the second to last option is save. If I tap on that, it will save it to the photo gallery on my iPhone. However, if you hop into someone else's status, let's say this person's status, if I tap on those 3 dots at the very top right, you can see forward, hide, or report. Even if I tap on forward, it gives me the option to forward that to someone else within WhatsApp, but unfortunately, there's no way to download someone else's status onto your phone.